Hi, I'm Kate from the Learning Team at Southampton City Council's Cultural Services, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own VE Day 75 Great British Bunting. You can download instructions and a printable template from the BBC website's Great British Bunting page. If you haven't got a printer, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to make a template from a sheet of ordinary paper. When you've cut out the number of triangles from your templates that you want to use, you're ready for the fun bit, which is decorating. And you can decorate your bunting however you like, but if you're after some inspiration, I've got 3 super speedy ideas that you might like to try out. You could try some collage, like this one, with any magazines or leaflets that come through the door. If you've got any paint lying around, you could try